Hi everyone! In this post, I'm going to teach you the secret to making crispy and delicious restaurant-style fries with the perfect spice mix and garlic sauce. So you will never want to buy fries from outside again. First, cut the potatoes into your desired size. I use the thick slicer for this. Wash the potatoes to remove the excess starch. Next, boil water and add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 4 tablespoons of white vinegar. Do not add salt at this stage. Then add the potatoes to the boiling water and let them cook for 8 minutes. After boiling, drain the potatoes and place them in ice water for 5 minutes to stop the cooking process. Next, fry the potatoes in hot oil for 2 minutes in a pan. After frying for 2 minutes, let them cool at room temperature for 45 minutes. If you want to use the fries right away, fry them again after the 45 minutes cooling period. If you don't want to use them immediately, package them and store them in the freezer. For potato spice mix, you will need thyme, onion powder, salt, garlic powder, paprika, dried parsley, Aleppo pepper or black pepper. Mix all these spices together and add them to your potatoes at the end. Now for the special garlic sauce, first mix the lemon juice, white vinegar and olive oil together. Add the garlic, mayonnaise and spices to a blender and mix until smooth. Then add the lemon juice mixture to the blender. Finally, add boiled potatoes with parsley to the mix. But first we need to remove parsley from the potatoes, then mix the potatoes with our mixture. Mix it until the sauce is smooth and well combined. I hope you make these crispy and delicious potatoes with the special garlic sauce and enjoy them with your loved ones. Hi, it's strawberry season right now and I want to share an amazing recipe for a delicious and beautiful strawberry cake that will make everyone's mouth watering. It's super easy and the result is incredible. I highly recommend you try making this cake. Just see the cake texture and the feeling umami. First, let's start by making the strawberry jam. We need 2 cups of chopped strawberries and 2/3 of a cup of sugar. First, we put the strawberries in a pot and let them soften a bit. Then we mash them with a masher because I don't want them to be too fine by using a food processor. Once the strawberries have released some of their juice, we add the sugar and let it cool until about 80% of the liquid evaporates. When the strawberry jam cools down, it will thicken more and the remaining 20% of the liquid will be absorbed. When 80% of the liquid has evaporated, add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and let it cook with the lemon juice for 1 more minute. Then turn off the heat and let it cool down. Our strawberry jam is ready. For the pastry cream, we need the following ingredients: 1 cup of milk, 2 eggs yolks, 15 grams of butter, 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch, 50 grams of sugar, half of tablespoon of vanilla. Warm the milk in a saucepan over medium heat until it's nearly boiling, but don't let it boil. Then remove the milk from the heat. In a separate bowl, mix the egg yolks, sugar and cornstarch with a whisk until the mixture becomes thick and pale. Gradually add the warm milk to the egg mixture, whisking quickly to combine until smooth. Then return the mixture to the saucepan and place it over low heat. Stir continuously until the mixture thickens and reaches the custard-like consistency. This won't take more than a few minutes. Once the custard has thickened, remove it from the heat and add the vanilla and butter. Stir until the mixture is smooth. It's best to transfer the custard to a container with a lid to prevent the skin from forming on top. And it's done. For the cake batter, we need the following ingredients: 3 eggs, half of cup of milk, 1.5 cups of flour, half of cup of oil, 2/3 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2/3 teaspoon of baking powder. First, mix the sugar, eggs, and vanilla on high speed with a mixer until the mixture is thick and pale. 6 minutes for this is enough. Once the mixture is thick and pale, add the milk and the oil. Mixing on low speed until everything is well combined. Do it in a minute. Next, gradually add the stiffed flour and baking powder to the mixture in several stages, folding gently with a spatula in one direction to maintain the batter's fluffiness and ensure everything is well combined. Grease your baking pan, then pour half of the batter into the pan. Spread the strawberry jam evenly over the batter. Pour the remaining batter over the jam layer. Then arrange strawberry slices on top as you like. Pipe the custard cream or pastry cream onto the surface of the cake. Bake in a preheated oven at 160 centigrade for about 35 to 45 minutes until it's done. Our delicious and beautiful cake is ready. Enjoy! Hey everyone! Today we are going to make a delicious crispy walnut meringue cookies that melts in your mouth, and I'm sure you are going to love it. First, we are going to roast the walnuts. Place them in the oven at 180 centigrade for about 6 minutes until they are roasted and crisp. Then chop them to your desired size. Next, take 3 egg yolks that have been left at room temperature for an hour. Mix them with 100 grams of stiffed powdered sugar and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla using a high-speed mixer for 6 minutes until the mixture becomes fluffy and light in color. The better you mix, the higher the quality of your cookies will be. Add 2 drops of cardamom essence for extra flavor. It's optional. Sift in 2 tablespoons of flour and add the chopped walnuts to the mixture. Gently fold everything together with a spatula in one direction to keep the mixture fluffy. Drop spoonfuls of the mixture onto non-stick baking paper, leaving some space between each one. If you don't have non-stick paper, make sure to grease regular baking paper first. Sprinkle some ground pistachios on top if you like. Bake the sweets in the preheated oven at 170 centigrade for about 10 to 12 minutes. And that's it. Enjoy your delicious cookies.